Okay, what I'm going to show you how to do is a two input data table. You use a two input data table when you have like a a calculation area that has two variables in it. So in this case we've got like num1 and num2, and we want to change those and see what the impact is on one of these outcome variables, which would be either total, difference, or product. Okay, so what we want to do here is we want it to be able to automatically calculate 6 plus, for example right here, 6 plus 4, 6, 4, we want it to put 10 here, but we want to do all of these outcomes all at once for us. So the way we do that is we go equal sign, and in this case we can only do one of the output variables, which is total, because there's no room for any more in the body of the table. So we go B4. Then we highlight all the numbers in the entire table, and then we go to data, what if analysis, data table, and then the row input cell, meaning where do you want me to put, it's asking where do you want me to put each of these values to do a recalculation. Well, I want each of these numbers to be subbed in for num1, and then it's saying where do you want to put all of these values here. Well, I want them progressively substituted into num2. Click on OK, and then it fills in all the answers. So you can just do a check. You can see here 7 and 5 right here, 7 and 5 is 12, so it did it properly. Okay, so see if you can do it yourself, doing it in this case where I say create a two input data table that shows the difference between two numbers. To get you started, you would go like this, equal sign, click on the difference formula, and then you would highlight all this, and then I'll leave it to you to do the rest, which would be to go to data, what if analysis, data table, and then tell it what the correct row input and column input cells are. And when you're done that, then create a two input data table that shows the product of the two numbers, and that's something else that you'd have to do here in order to let you fill it in completely.